Hello everybody and welcome to my channel, or welcome back. And if you don't know me, my name is Lindsay. Nice to meet you. In today's video we are doing an unboxing of the December 2019 Boxycharm right here. If you guys don't know what Boxycharm is, it's a $25 a month subscription box where you'll receive different types of beauty products. So what I mean by beauty products is like maybe you receive some makeup products, maybe you receive some skincare, or like different types of tools like eyelash curlers, some brushes, or maybe even like, you know, tweezers. So if you guys are interested in seeing what I received in my December 2019 Boxycharm, then just keep on watching. I feel like Boxycharm never disappoints me. Like maybe there'll be like some things like once in a while where I'll be like, I might not get any uses out of that. But majority of the time when I unbox any Boxycharms, I'm like, oh my god, I'm gonna get so many uses out of that. And if I'm not gonna get any uses, I can always pass it on to like one of my friends. So as per usual, I have my eyebrow cutting scissors to open a box. Alright, so I'm not gonna look because I just kind of want it to be a surprise. So let me feel around. Okay, I feel this. I don't know what it is. Well, let's see. Ooh, it's from Ciate London. If you guys don't know what Ciate London is, they have a fantastic translucent powder, and also their lip products are fantastic. So let's see what this is. This is Marbled Light. It's a blush. Well, it says illuminating blusher, so I'm assuming it's a blush. So let's pop her open. And I love blush. Let's see what color it's going to be. Ooh, that looks fun. It looks like it's like almost baked almost. Interesting. Let me give it a swatch. Okay, it feels kind of dry, so that kind of like, I feel like it is definitely baked, because when you swatch like some products where they feel a little bit dry, most of the time they're baked, but I could be wrong. So it's very, very light. Actually, the more I'm swatching it and kind of like blending it out, I feel like that would actually be a blush that I would gravitate towards. And I do like that it has like a little bit of like a sheen to it. So yeah, first product, we're off to a great start. And also they do leave a card in here that tells you the prices of everything, but I'm going to wait till the end just to see if our $25 box is worth it. All right, same thing, not looking, but this is kind of big. What's this? This says skincare, Saturday skin. What am I talking? I almost said skincare Saturday. This says nothing on there. It says Saturday Skin right here. I'm gonna guess that's the brand. Oh, the brand's right here. It says Chai 7, I'm guessing, or Cha 7, but there's the brand right there. Well, so let's see. It's a Glacier Water Cream. Okay. So I'm guessing it's just like a moisturizer. Helps soothe dry skin while revealing radiance. That sounds really nice. Let's take it out. Ooh, that packaging is so cute. Do you guys see how, oh my gosh, I love that so much. Now I can definitely see myself using this because, you know, definitely during like the winter times, we're going to be a lot more dry. For me, it's like my cheeks, and then like right here, like the T-zone, that is definitely going to be more oily. And when you pop it open, it just looks something like this. This reminds me of a product that I used to use when I worked at MAC, but I can't think of what it's called right now. I have not worked at MAC in a minute, so, but the one that worked at MAC, it did work really well when I had dry skin, so maybe this is a dupe for it. So let's see. So far, these two products, they're just kind of like telling you like, girl, you're gonna get some radiant skin this month, which makes sense because, you know, it's December. This is like the time of the year where you're gonna get really dry skin. So I'm not looking. What's this? I don't know. Let's see the eyeshadow palette. I don't know. Okay, this is Brow Bar. Ooh, okay, so this is for your eyebrows. Now I did receive an eyebrow pencil from them before, and it was like a perfect match, and I use it like all the time. So let's see what this is. This looks so interesting. I'm gonna make sure the brush doesn't fall out. Forget that product. Okay, I'm sure that was just like an eyebrow gel, but I didn't think that would fall out. But so yeah, see, it looks like you get like 3 different products in here. I'm guessing this is an eyebrow gel. Let me see if it says it on there. Brow bar, it doesn't say, but I'm going to open it up and I'm sure that's what it is. And then also you get this angled brush right here, and then you kind of get something to like on the other end to like buff out. So now that I'm looking at it more, it looks like you get like a concealer and then like 2 eyebrow products. These are powders, by the way. Oh, and this is a tinted eyebrow gel, I'm guessing. This is like, looks like it's a little bit more brown. Let me read the packaging. Okay, so this kind of stinks. This brush must be really cheap because it totally just fell apart. I mean, and for me personally, like, I'm not going to use this. Like, But I mean, for somebody that's like, if they buy this every month and expecting, you know, we're kind of hoping that they're going to get like some nice brushes. I mean, this is not Boxycharm's fault. This is just like the brand's fault. Like, that's so cheap. Like, can the other side pop off? No, the other side's on there really well. Like, I didn't even try to take it off. I like put it back in the tray and it broke. Oh well, I mean, I'm never going to end up using this because like, I feel like it's going to be so harsh if you're using something like this. I don't know, just me. So it says on the back here, it says designed with 2 long-wearing brow shades, a lightening brow lift, a sculpting mascara gel, an angled brush, and a flat brow brush. So yeah, that's what I figured. Just like a concealer and then like 2 different brow products to like lighten, darken certain areas. And then the eyebrow gel to set everything in place. Now, Boxycharm usually comes with 5 things, so let me dig around, see if I feel anything else. I feel 2 more things. I kind of like the one on my left hand, so let's see what this is. Oh, this is from Estetica. I think this might be like a face wash. Oh, it's a brush cleanser and conditioner. That is so funny because I told myself, I'm like, I need to wash my brushes this week because mine are trash. Like, I mean, when I do wash them, this is so bad. I think I use like, I mean, Dove's not bad, right? Not Dove, what's her name? Dawn, dish soap. I mean, dish soap, I'm sorry. I mean, hey, it still works. I use it in the little commercials, like clean off a little duck. So like, why can't I not use it on my brush? So yes, I'm finally have some brush cleaner again. So I can't wait to give this a try. All right, the last product in here. Do I get one of the cards? Okay, I have the card right here. I was like, girl, how do I even know the prices? Oh wait, what's this? Oh, it's just trash. All right, let's see what this is. Oh my God, this packaging, are you kidding me? Look, it's like a little book. Oh my gosh. I love when companies do cute little packagings like this. All right, let's see. It says Fairy Tales Storybook Cosmetics. I feel like I've heard of them. I can't remember what else they have done before, but I remember watching like or hearing about it on like somebody's channel before. Oh, okay. And then it has the little mirror right here on the inside. And it says, mirror, mirror, here I stand. Who is the fairest in the land? Cute. And then here is the packaging on the inside. Honestly, this is a really cute, like, just simple packaging, not packaging, palette. I feel like all these colors in here go together so well. I like how they have like that little shimmery gold right there with like the dark emerald green that also complements like this green over here, and that gold complements that color. And then it looks like you would use kind of like that one as like your transition shade, and if you wanted to darken anything up, you would go in with that guy right here. Honestly, I think this is so cute. I'm gonna put this like on my makeup vanity because like wouldn't that be so cute? And I feel like I'm definitely gonna end up using it because these colors look so pretty. I'm gonna just swatch a few, or maybe the whole thing. Let me see. Maid Marin right here. Oh, okay. Oh my gosh. I hope I'm not cutting it off on the camera because that looks so yummy and that swatched so well. I'm definitely gonna butcher that name, so I'm just gonna put it right here. Oh, that one was light. Let me go in again. Okay, that one's just like a little light, but honestly, you know, you've heard it before. Swatches don't compare to when you put it on your eyes. This looks like the shade Nottingham, so I'm going to call it that. All right, that one's another one where it's kind of light. It feels really nice in the pan though. So maybe when you're putting it on your eyes, maybe it just takes like a couple layers to build it up because it does look kind of light right there on my arm, but hey, that's okay. If it looks good on the eyes, that's literally all that matters. This shade is called Forest. Ooh. So it looks like a dark brown. There's Forest. Merry Men. Here's the shade Merry Men. Okay, that one you can see. Let's do a second layer. But these feel so buttery. Like I literally can't wait to try them on my eyes because I feel like they might look like kind of patchy on my arm. I keep saying this, but you know they're probably going to look fantastic on the eyes. And then Robin Hood. So this feels so nice. They have their shimmer formula down. Holy crap, that looks so nice. Here, I'm going to put it right here in front of the camera so you guys can get a good old look at all the shades. Okay, so that was everything that was in my box, and let's just go over all the prices of everything. So in here you get a little card right here, and it tells you like the theme of the month. So the theme of the month is whimsy. Okay, so the Storybook Cosmetics palette, it retails for $35, which, I mean, it is a little bit pricey because you're only receiving, I think it was like six, yeah, you only get 6 shades in here, but you also have to think about like how beautiful this packaging is. But I also did not get to try it on my eyes. So I mean, if it does work good on the eyes, then I guess like, depends what you think if it's worth it or not. Like personally for me, I would not buy a $35 palette, even though the packaging is really cute, but you're only getting 6 shades. Like you can go to Morphe and get a palette with like 40 or 39 shades, whatever it is, for like $35. So next is this little moisturizer. It's actually from Saturday Skin. So I don't know what Chai 7 is. I don't know what I'm talking about. But the brand is Saturday Skin, and it's called the Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. I'm about to like butcher the whole thing. And it retails for $39. So I feel like that's actually a good price for some skincare. Like I think the one at MAC was way more expensive. Like I feel like it was like in closer to the 40s to 50s, and I mean, I don't know how this one's going to work, but it definitely looks comparable to that one at MAC that I can't remember the name. I think it was like called like something moisture cream, but girl, it's been like almost 2 years since I worked at MAC, so I cannot remember. All right, next is from Ciate London. We have the Marbled Blush, and it retails for $26. We have the brush cleaner right here from Estetica, and it retails for $12 for the brush cleanser and conditioner. And I feel like that's not a bad price for brush cleaner. Like I said, when I worked at MAC, I feel like I honestly did not like the brush cleaner when I worked at MAC. Like that stuff was, I don't know, maybe me personally, like maybe that Dawn dish soap is just what gets me, man. It just works, but I don't know, I just felt like it just didn't really clean the brushes that well. Like I bought it myself and I just felt like, just like underwhelmed, you know? The last product in here is the Brow Bar, the Brow Makeover Kit, and this retails for $30. And I feel like $30 for like a little brow kit, like, I mean, personally, like, I would suggest going out and buying like a better brush. Like Morphe has really great cheap brushes, or e.l.f. They have really nice and cheap brushes as well that won't fall off. But I feel like definitely this is good because you have like the concealer to kind of like sharpen up the brow, and then you also have like the dark color to start like in the outer brow, and then like use that lighter shade right here, and then obviously you would use that brow mascara, you know, the brow gel to set everything in place. Personally, I don't know if I will use this because I finally have found like some products that actually work for me, so maybe I'm just gonna pass this down to somebody. But everything else in the box I know I'm definitely gonna use. Let's add everything up from the box to see how much the total was. Storybook Cosmetic was $35. The Saturday Skin Moisturizer was $39. The Ciate London Blush was $26. The Brush Cleaner was $12. And then the Brow Bar was $30. So mine was a whopping $142 worth of products in my box. I feel like it's definitely worth it to get subscription boxes, especially Boxycharm, because I feel like they're actually going to give you really good quality products. Like, I feel like everything that I received this month, like, they're all good. Like, sometimes, like, I'll get products from, like, different subscription boxes, and I'm like, who's gonna want this, you know? I hope you guys really enjoyed me unboxing my Boxycharm. I've been wanting to do stuff like this on my channel for a little bit of time now, but I just haven't gotten around to it. You know, I've been doing some other stuff. And if you guys aren't subscribed, then what are you doing? I feel like I say that in every video. I'm just like, what are you doing with your life? No, I'm just kidding. But if you guys aren't subscribed and you enjoy watching like makeup tutorials, reviews, or even unboxings like so, then don't forget to subscribe, like, and then give me a comment on what you guys would like me to do in a future video, or just even comment what you like in my Boxycharm, or you know what, if you get Boxycharm, tell me what you got in this month that I didn't get. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. I'll catch you in the next one. Have a great day and an even better week. Bye!